Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, this is Imran Pardeshi sir, and today I will be teaching you Math 2nd, chapter number 1, Basic Concepts of Geometry of 9th standard. So students, first of all, this chapter name indicates something which is previous knowledge. Okay, in 7th and in 8th standard, you have learned about the basic knowledge and you have learned about the number line, you have learned about the points and its coordinates, and also you have learned about how to find the distance between two points. Okay, so this chapter of 9th standard, chapter of Math 2nd, chapter number 1, basic concepts of geometry, it's all about the number line, points and its coordinates, and how to find the distance between the two points. So look at the board please. Chapter number 1 of 9th standard, Math 2nd, basic concepts of geometry. Distance between two points on a number line. The first topic is how to find the distance between two points on a number line. Okay, so you know number line. Middle one there is a origin 0. Okay, and right hand side all the numbers are positive, which are in increasing order. The numbers are increasing towards the right hand side, and the numbers are decreasing towards the left hand side. Okay, so here -1, -2, -3, the number is decreasing, and here number is increasing. Okay, so look at the board. How to find the distance? Distance means small d between two distinct points can be calculated by subtracting smaller coordinate from the bigger coordinate. It means we can find the distance between any two points by subtracting smaller coordinate from the bigger coordinate of the given points. Okay, so look at here. This is number line. This is origin P. The above alphabets P, A, B, C, D, E, L, M, W, X, Y are called points of a number line, and the numbers which are below, which indicates A indicates 1, B representing 2, C representing 3. So alphabets are called points and these numbers are called coordinates. Okay, so what I will ask you, which is the coordinate of A? Point A, coordinate is 1. What is the coordinate of point B? 2. What is the coordinate of W? -3. So alphabets are called point and the numbers are called coordinate. Is it clear? So now see the example. Find the distance. What is distance? The number 1, number 2, number 3. So number 1 is distance between point A and D. Okay, so you will focus on A and D only. Okay, so first I have to write how to find the distance. The format is given over here. Please pay attention. I will find the distance between point A and D. So first I will write coordinate of first alphabet. Coordinate of point A coordinate is 1. Okay, then I will write the second alphabet is D, that is point D. So I will say coordinate of point D is, where is D? D is here, and coordinate of point D is 4. Okay, so now I will specify which number is bigger, 4 or 1. Which number is greater? कौन बड़ा है? 4. So I will make a sign of greater. So 4 is greater than 1. I will mention. First I will write the coordinates, then I will mention who is bigger. So I will write that number first. मैं उस जो नंबर बड़ा है उसे हम पहले लिखेंगे. Okay, जो छोटा है उसे बाद में लिखेंगे. So 4 is greater than 1. So we have to write distance between point A and D is equals to, first you will write the bigger coordinate. पहले हम बड़ा coordinate लिखेंगे. Then this minus sign is of formula. ये minus sign formula में है. So bigger coordinate minus smaller coordinates. Who is smaller here? 1. 4 minus 1, answer is 3. What 3? 3 units, because here no meter, no centimeter. So we have to mention 3 units. At last we have to write, therefore distance between point A and D is 3 units. I hope you understood. Now take little different. Now see distance between point M and X. So I will focus on M and X. Both are on the left hand side. Okay. So we know the number is decreasing towards the left side. Left side number decrease होते जाता है. It means -2 is greater than -4. Is it clear? So first I will write like this over there. See, distance between point M and X. First I will write coordinate of point M is -2. M का coordinate -2. Okay, then I will write coordinate of point X. See, I will see here coordinate of point X is -4. Okay, then from these two points coordinates, which one is greater? So from the left hand side the number is decreasing, number कम होते जाता है. So -2 is greater than -4. As we can see, we will keep our finger. I will keep my finger on -2 and -4. The number which is on left hand side is always smaller than the other. I repeat, the number which is on left hand side is always smaller than the other. Is it clear? So I will write -2 is greater than -4. Then I have to write the formula that distance between point M and X is bigger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. I have written in short, you should write in complete words. Okay, bigger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So now please pay attention here. The bigger coordinate is -2 -2. Okay, ये बड़ा coordinate है. This sign is of formula. ये sign formula की है. Okay, and smaller coordinate is already negative. So I will write in the bracket because this sign is of formula and smaller coordinate is in negative, that is -4. So now what you have to write? This -2 will come as it is. This minus multiply by minus, this minus and this minus, and the bracket means multiplication. So minus multiply by minus is equals to plus. So -2 plus 4. Now there are two different signs. What you will do? Plus minus minus. So 2 में से 4 जाता है क्या? No. So we can subtract 4 minus 2 and 4 minus 2 means 2. But which sign will come here? Which number is greater, -2 or 4? 4. The 4 has positive sign. That's why this answer will come in positive only. I hope you understood. Now see the third one. Find the distance between point C and L. Look at here, point C and L. Is it clear? So I will focus on C and L only. First I will write the coordinate of first point. That is coordinate of point C is 3. C का coordinate is 3. Now I will write coordinate of point L is -1. Okay, then I have to specify. मुझे बताना है which number is greater. So always remember the one number is positive, one number is negative. So always positive number is greater than the negative. हमेशा जो number positive है वो greater होता है than the negative. Is it clear? So I will write 3 is greater than -1. Then I have to write a formula to find the distance between two points. That is, distance between point C and point L is bigger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Which is your bigger coordinate? 3. I will write 3. The sign of formula is minus, but smaller coordinate is already in negative. Smaller coordinate is already negative. That's why I will put in bracket. Keep in your mind, when the number is in negative, keep it in bracket. Okay, so this minus multiply by minus will be plus. So 3 as it is, minus multiply by minus, this bracket means multiplication. Minus multiply by minus is equals to plus, and 1 as it is. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 what? Units. I hope you understood this. Okay, like this only you have to solve practice set 1.1, question number 1 also, and question number 2 also like this. Okay, so question number 1 is exactly like this. You have to follow the same formula, same method you will follow. Okay, and so students, now I will show you how to solve question number 2. Question number 1 you have to solve by yourself, as I have shown you already how to solve question number 1, how to find the distance between any two points, how to write their coordinates. Okay, so you have to follow my video. Please see, it is compulsory to see my video. Without watching video you cannot understand. So now please pay attention towards the board and see how to solve question number 2. Question number 2 also exactly like question number 1, but only here one line will increase. So look at the board what it is. Okay, question number 2, if the coordinate of A is x, अगर x एक if the coordinate of A is x, A का coordinate x है, and that of B, उसी तरह से B का coordinate is y, then I have to find, or we have to find distance between point A and B. It means every time you don't have to write distance between x and y. You will write x की जगह पर you will mention A and y की जगह पर you will mention B. It means find the distance between point A and B. Okay. So now see the question number 1. X is equals to 1. It means what? A is equals to x and x is equals to 1. It means A is equals to 1. Okay. Now see, y is equals to 7. What does it mean? As it is said in the question that B is equals to y and y is equals to 7. Okay. So now instead of using x and y, अब तुमको x और y use नहीं करना है, because it is said in the question find the distance between point A and point B. So x will represent A and y will represent by B. So you will write the coordinate of point A, because first x belongs to A. So I will write the coordinate of point A is 1. Now I will write coordinate of point B is 7. Which is greater than 7 or 1? Okay, 7 is greater. So the number which is greater, you will write that number first, and the smaller number you will write later on. So 7 is greater than 1. Now what is the formula, as we have seen already in question number 1? So distance between point A and B is equals to bigger or greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Is it clear? So bigger coordinate is 7 minus of formula, and smaller coordinate is 1. 7 minus 1, 6. What is 6? 6 units. So at last the answer will come. Therefore distance between point A and B is 6 units. Always you will write distance between A and B, because it is said in the question A is x and B is y. See the question number 2. X is equal to 6, y is equals to minus 2. So x is equals to A and y is equals to B. I will write A is equals to x is equals to 6. Then I will write B is equals to y is equals to minus 2. Now I will write the coordinate of A, because x and y I will not use. Okay, the coordinate of point A is 6 and the coordinate of point B is minus 2. Now we will specify who's greater. 6. Okay, one number is positive, one number is negative. In this condition, always remember the number which is positive is always greater than the other. It means जो number positive है वो हमेशा बड़ा होगा negative से. Is it clear? So I will write distance between point A and B, and the formula is bigger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. I have written in short. You will write in full form. Okay. So bigger coordinate is 6. Now formula का sign is minus, and the smaller number is already in minus 2. It is minus 2. So I will write bigger coordinate 6, sign of minus, and smaller coordinate is already in minus. So I will write in the bracket. And then this minus multiply by this minus will convert into plus, and the 2 will come as it is. So 6 plus 2 will be 8 units. Is it clear? Now see, third one I have not solved, because the remaining sums will be homework for you all. You have to solve the remaining sums as a homework. See the question number 4, all the different questions I have solved. So question number 4 is x is equals to minus 4, y is equals to x is equals to minus 4 and y is equals to minus 5. Sorry, is it clear? Now I will write A is equals to x, which is equals to minus 4. B is equals to y, which is equals to minus 5. Okay. So the coordinate of point A is minus 4. The coordinate of point B is minus 5. Now we know the number is decreasing towards the left hand side. Number छोटे होते जाते हैं towards the left hand side of a number line. Imagine the number line, and both the numbers are negative. So the number which is smaller, the number which is in the 4 and 5, but both the numbers are in negative sign. So minus 5 comes towards the left hand side of minus 4. Minus 5 minus 4 के left hand side में आएगा. Therefore minus 5 is smaller and minus 4 is greater. So I will write distance between point A and B is equals to bigger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Bigger coordinate is what? -4. This sign of minus of formula, ये साइन फॉर्मूले की है कि बड़े नंबर में से छोटा नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. So this is sign of formula, but the smaller coordinate is already in negative, that is -5. So I will write in bracket. So this minus multiply by minus, bracket means what? Multiplication. So minus multiply by minus will be plus. So -4 will come as it is, -4 will come as it is, and minus multiply by minus it will be plus, and 5 will come as it is. Now one number is negative, one number is positive. What you will do? Subtraction. Okay, plus minus minus. Okay, so you will subtract. But 4 में से 5 will go? No. 5 में से 4 will go? Yes, 1. Now you will think for the sign now. So which is bigger number? 5. 5 has a positive sign. That's why the answer also will come in positive. Is it clear? So now I have written over here the remaining sums will be homework. I hope you will do homework and you have understood. It is same like question number 1. Only this first line is increased over here. X A है और Y B है. So students, now we will see how to solve question number 3 of practice set 1.1. In question number 3, there is 2 points, collinear points and non-collinear points. You know what is collinear points? When 3 or more than 3 points, if they are in a straight line, these points will be called as a collinear points. Or if 3 points are not in a straight line, or they are misplaced over here and there, they are non-collinear. For example, I will say if these 3 points are in a straight line, then this is called collinear points. If one point is here, one point is here, so this is not collinear points. Is it clear? So I hope you understood what is collinear and non-collinear. When 3 or more than 3 points will be in a straight line, then it will be called as a collinear points. Okay, and if the points are not in a straight line, it will be called as a non-collinear. So see the question number 3. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. We have to find which point is in between. 3 points will be there. Which point will be in between? बीच में कौन सा point होगा? Okay, it is very easy to solve. See, if the points are not collinear, state so. If the points are non-collinear or not collinear, then you have to say the reason why. Look at the board. Now this 3 distance will be given to you. Distance between point P and R is equals to 7. Distance between P and Q is equals to 10. Distance between Q and R is equals to 3. So what first I have to do? Which is the greater one? 7, 10 or 3? Which is greater one? 10. Okay, so I will take this first. Distance between P and Q is equals to 10. This is my first equation, the first answer. Okay, then which two left over? This and this. Okay, so I will take the other two and I will do sum. It means sum of two smallest number. Okay, so I will take, this is the smaller, this and these two are smaller. So I will do sum, means I will do the addition of them. Distance between point P and R plus distance between Q and R, that is PR is equals to 7 plus QR is equals to 3. So addition of this is equals to 10, which is my second answer. Okay, if the first answer and second answer will match, if the first answer and second answer will be equal to each other, then only I have to write the first one, the bigger or greater one here, equals to the sum of two others. Okay, sum of in दोनों का addition. See, this distance between P and R plus distance between Q and R. How it possible? Because of from the equation first and from the answer first and second. Is it clear? Now see, I have to write here this greater number is equals to the sum of the other two. It is equals to. Okay. Now I will write points P, Q, R are collinear points. Why? Because this answer 1 and answer 2 is equal to each other, is same. Okay. So now Focus here. Why I have circled R? Whenever if it is equal, we have to focus the other two distances, and which alphabet comes twice. Here also R, here also R. So this R will come in between. So you have to write this line. Relation of betweenness exists. When it will be exists? When the given points are collinear. Agar the answer will come equal, first answer will come equals to the second answer, then we have to write that points P, Q, R. Whatever points will be given to you, you have to write, and it will be collinear points. Agar collinear points hai, then only you have to write relation of betweenness exists. Exists hoga. Therefore you have to write P, R, Q. Why the R will come in between? Because the right hand side of this equation, R comes twice. R दो बार आया है. See, R comes here also, R comes here also. So I have written P, R, Q, and you can see over here. This is what? This is the sign of collinear, and it is possible the relation of betweenness exists because the points are collinear. Then only we have to write 3 points are discussed here, P, Q and R. So P will come first, Q will come last, and in between the number which comes twice, it will come in between. So we have to write like this. Now see the question number 2 here. This distance between point R and S 8. Distance between point S and T is equals to 6 here. Distance between point R and T is equals to 4. How to solve it first? First I will write the biggest, greater one. Who's greater? 8, 6 or 4? 8. So I will write distance between R, S is equals to 8. That is my first answer. Okay. Now which two distance remain? This and this. So I will do addition of them. Distance between point S and T plus distance between point R and T. So ST 6 and RT 4. I will do the addition. The answer came 10. See, balance it. The first answer, second answer is equal? No. It means I will write this big greater number first, which is not equal to the addition sum of these other two. Is it clear how it is possible from answer first and second? Okay. So I will write points R. How many points are discussed here? R, S, T. Okay. I will write points R, S and T are non-collinear points. Therefore, relation of betweenness does not exist. So betweenness exist nahi hoga. It means like this, we will not write here because betweenness does not exist. क्योंकि points non-collinear है तो betweenness exists होगा ही नहीं. अगर points collinear है तो ही betweenness होगा, exist होगा. वो कैसे होगा? The number on right hand side के दो additions, which alphabet or which point comes twice, that will come in between. I hope you understood the video, and you will solve the remaining sums will be homework to you. The question number 1 is here and question number 2 is here. Like this only you have to solve the remaining sums. Thank you. I hope you understood.